Welcome, VWO students and HAVO students of the exam class. Welcome to this video about the exam of 2025. And we're talking about the history exam. When we look at the video, we see that we're arrived at question 3 of the VWO exam of 2025. We've seen that an oil refinery in 1915 arrived in Curacao, that it had big consequences, great implications for society, how society was built up, constructed. It had consequences for the elite, so the white Judy-Curacao that were in charge. It had consequences for the black Judy-Curacao, the Afro-Curaçaoans. Yeah. And this question is as follows. De vestiging van de Shell-raffinaderij op Curaçao bracht gevolgen met zich mee voor de verschillende sociale groepen op het eiland. And now we arrive at question B, because first we talked about the Afro-Curaçaoans, but now we're going to talk about the political position of the local elite. Geef aan wat het gevolg was voor de politieke positie van de lokale elite. What is meant by the local elite? We have the white Judy-Curacao, that even after the abolishment of slavery in 1863 until 1815 had been powerful in Curacao. Everybody worked for them, and even after the abolishment of slavery after 1863, even after that year, they were powerful, and as shons, plantation holders, or even as company owners or entrepreneurs or people with family wealth, everybody and the majority of the Afro-Curaçaoans worked for the elite. The question here is now, geef aan wat het gevolg was van de komst van de Shell, of the arrival of the Shell refinery for the local elite. Yeah, the arrival of the Shell, what were the consequences, the implications for the political position of the local elite? What was the consequences for their political position in society? I hope this question is clear, and in question 2 I will look at the book, and in clip 2 and in clip 3 of this videos about 3B, I will look at the correct answer, and I hope this will be helpful. If you want to look at my YouTube, Meneer Piscadeau, youtube.com/@meneerpiscadeau. This is a very smart folder.